This screencast will guide you through how to access and complete the SkillsUSA Certified Advisor course. This course is located in SkillsUSA Absorb, which can be accessed online at absorb.skillsusa.org. Once you've navigated to absorb.skillsusa.org, you'll click the blue Login button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You'll then enter your username and password to log into your account. If you cannot remember your password, you can click the Forgot Password link, or you can also email customer care at skillsusa.org for login support. Once you've logged into your account, you'll arrive at your learner dashboard. Here we can see that login button has now changed to either your profile photo or profile icon. When we scroll down and look under My Courses, we can see the Certified Advisor course tile here at the top of our dashboard. We can also access courses by clicking Menu and then My Courses from the drop-down. We can click Start or Enroll or Resume to begin the course. What this button actually says will depend on whether or not you've accessed this course yet. So we'll click Resume. We are now in the SkillsUSA Certified Advisor course. We see our course graphic followed by a brief description and then all of the learning events that you must complete to finish this online course. The learning events are divided into two different segments. Segment 1, which contains the e-module certifications, and Segment 2, which contains all other learning events. The e-module certifications in Segment 1 include the CTE Knowledge Certification course, which is its own online course, as well as the SkillsUSA Framework Certification, which is again its own online course. Both of these courses appear elsewhere in SkillsUSA Absorb, so if you have completed one or both of these courses in the past, you do not need to repeat them or do them again. If you have completed them successfully, both of these buttons here should say Completed instead of Start, Resume, or Enroll, and you should actually be able to begin this course with Segment 2, beginning with Chapter Officer List. However, if you have not yet completed the CTE Knowledge Certification course or SkillsUSA Framework Certification course, you will need to complete both of these in full before you can access Segment 2. If you have any trouble or any questions about this, you can email customercare@skillsusa.org. I'll go ahead and show you now how to begin and how to complete one of those certification courses. We'll start with the CTE Knowledge Certification course. I'll click Completed, but your button may say Start, Resume, or Enroll. We're now in the CTE Knowledge Certification course, so we'll scroll down. We'll note that we are in our Learning Events tab. We'll see the course graphic, and again that description, followed by the 3 learning events that must be completed to successfully complete this course. The first learning event contains a learning journal. So this means when we click Start, Resume, or Complete to access this learning event, we'll actually open up a fillable PDF worksheet. You'll download this worksheet to your computer, enter your work in the fillable fields of the PDF, and then save your work. Be sure to save this file so that you're not just uploading a blank PDF. Once you're satisfied with your work, you can go back to your course and click this Uploads tab, which is just to the right of that Learning Events tab, and then click the Upload button to upload your learning journal into the course. Once you've uploaded your work, that Upload button will become a Replace button. We can click Learning Events again to then resume that course. There are just 2 more learning events left, an e-module and an assessment. Once we've completed the certification course, we'll want to be sure that you come here where it says Evaluation. And if you've not done this already, there will be a button here that says Evaluate Your Experience. This is where you just simply give us feedback on the course. Once that's done, This course calculator should move to 100%, and you should also see your upload checked off here. That wraps up the CTE Knowledge Certification. To get back to your main learner dashboard at any time, simply click SkillsUSA in the upper left-hand corner, and you can re-access that course. The Framework Certification course is very similar. It also contains its own learning journal and Uploads tab. Once these two certifications are complete, you can begin Segment 2. Bear in mind, there are uploads as well in Segment 2. For example, Chapter Officer Lists simply involves uploading your list of chapter officers. So you'll click Start and then Uploads to upload your chapter officer list. And you can click the Back button to resume the rest of the course. Once you've successfully completed all learning events in Segment 1 and Segment 2, your course calculator will show 100. A great thing about this course is that it does generate certificates with successful completion. So you can get your certificate for this advisor course as well as your framework certification and CTE knowledge certification by going to your learner dashboard. Again, you do that by clicking SkillsUSA in the upper left and then scrolling down to your transcript tile here. This is where you can download any badges and any certificates that you've earned in your user history. If you need any assistance with your Absorb account or your course, keep in mind that contact information for the customer care team is listed at the top of your dashboard. You can contact the customer care team by phone or email. That phone number is 844-875-4557, or you can email customercare@skillsusa.org for user support.